Morning students, welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. Myself Kavita Modi, your maths teacher for class 5. Today we are going to continue chapter 4, fractional numbers. In this chapter our topics are multiplication of a fractional number and a whole number and multiplication of a fractional number by another fractional number. Let's start with multiplication of a fractional number and a whole number. When we multiply a fraction by a whole number, the numerator of fraction is multiplied by a whole number and the denominator does not change. Let's see the example. Question number 1. 1 upon 3 multiply by 2. In this question, 1 upon 3 is a fraction and 2 is a whole number. Before we can multiply this, we need to write down the whole number 2 as a fraction 2 upon 1. Because any number divided by 1 is always equal to the number itself. Then we simplify the problem. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 and 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 2 upon 3. Let's solve the next question. Question number 2. 4 1 upon 2 multiply by 2. See, 4 1 upon 2 is a mixed number. First we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1 9. So the fraction is 9 upon 2. Then we write the whole number 2 as a fraction 2 upon 1. If numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Here I see 2 divides both 2's. So cancel them out by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Again 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now it cannot be further simplified. So we multiply. 9 ones are 9 and 1 ones are 1. So the fraction is 9 upon 1, which is equal to 9. So the answer is 9. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. 45 multiply 2 1 upon 9. First, rewrite the whole number 45 as a fraction 45 upon 1. Then write the multiplication sign as it is. 2 1 upon 9 is a mixed number, so we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 9 2s are 18 and 18 plus 1 19. So the fraction is 19 upon 9. Now to multiply two fractions, I need to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But before that, if we can simplify the fractions further, I need to do that. That is, we need to find a number that divides the numerator and the denominator, so that we can cancel them out first. Here I see 9 divides both 45 and 9. So cancel them out by 9. 45 divided by 9 is 5 and 9 divided by 9 is 1. Pay attention. If both numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Since now it cannot be further simplified, so we multiply. 5 multiplied by 19 upon 1 multiplied by 1. 19 5s are 95 and 1 1s are 1. So the fraction is 95 upon 1. And 95 upon 1 means 95. So the answer is 95. Let's solve one more question. Question number 4. 10 1 upon 10 multiplied by 15. See, 10 1 upon 10 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 10 10s are 100 and 100 plus 1 101. So the fraction is 101 upon 10. Then write the multiplication sign as it is. Then rewrite the whole number as a fraction 15 upon 1. Now simplify. If numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Here I see 5 divides both 15 and 10. So cancel them out by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 10 divides by 5 is 2. Since now it cannot be further simplified, we multiply. 101 multiply by 3 and 2 multiply by 1. If we multiply, the answer is 303 upon 2. But it is an improper fraction, so we convert them into mixed number. And everyone know how we will convert improper fraction into mixed number. So the answer is 151 1 upon 2. Our next topic is multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. When we multiply a fraction by another fraction, multiply the numerators together, then multiply the denominators together. Let's solve some examples. Question number 1. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5. If numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number, so we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 fours are 8 and 3 fives are 15. So the answer is 8 upon 15. Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. 2 upon 5 multiply 15 upon 16. If numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Here I see 2 and 16 both is divisible by 2. So cancel them out by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 16 divided by 2 is 8. See, 5 and 15 is also divisible by the same number 5. So cancel them out by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Since now it cannot be further simplified, so we multiply. 1 3s are 3 and 1 8s are 8. So the fraction is 3 upon 8. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. 5 upon 6 multiplied by 2 1 upon 7. First we convert mixed number into improper fraction. How? Let's see. 6 5s are 30 and 30 plus 5 35. So the fraction is 35 upon 6. Then write the multiplication sign as it is. 7 2s are 14 and 14 plus 1 15. So the fraction is 15 upon 7. If numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Here I see 7 divides both 7 and 35. So cancel them out by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5 and 7 divided by 7 is 1. Again 3 divides both 6 and 15. So cancel them out by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Since now it cannot be further simplified, do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25 and 2 1s are 2. So the fraction is 25 upon 2. But it is an improper fraction. So first we convert them into mixed number. And everyone know how we will convert improper fraction into mixed number. So the answer is 12 1 upon 2. Let's solve one more question. Question number 4. 4 upon 5 multiply 7 upon 8 multiply 24 upon 35. If numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, we need to cancel them out by the same number. Here I see 7 divides both 7 and 35. So cancel them out by 7. 7 divides by 7 is 1 and 35 divides by 7 is 5. Again 8 divides both 24 and 8. So cancel them out by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3 and 8 divided by 8 is 1. Since now it cannot be further simplified, so do the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. Do the multiplication. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the numerator is equal to 12. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So the denominator is equal to 25 and the answer is 12 upon 25. Hope you understood multiplication of fractional numbers. Student, complete lesson 4, worksheet 6 and 7 and brain teaser question number 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9 in Maths CW. You need to practice more and more sums to avoid mistakes and build confidence. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.